All right, y'all. Pretty Vulgar sent me a couple of their products. I'm gonna try a couple of them on here. As you can see, got a lip gloss over here. We're really excited to try it. Look how pretty it is. Holy shit. All right, let's see. No idea what this looks like. I have not tried it yet, so this is gonna be a genuine reaction. Let's see. Oh my god. Just so you guys can see the shimmer with this lip gloss. So nice. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna be rocking this for a hot minute. Another product I'm gonna try out. This is actually, I'm not gonna lie, I tried it out already because I got so excited when I saw it. It's called Glitter Dust, and it's literally glitter dust. Look at this, really, really cute bottle. It looks like one of those old bottles that they used to have as perfumes. And I'm gonna just spray this. Look at that shimmer! It's literally glitter. I fucking love it. Oh my god, look how pretty. Oh, it's so nice. And it's not oily product or anything like that. It's literally like in a powder form. So I don't even feel it on my skin. It just feels like, it feels like nothing. Wow, I love it. Thanks so much. Thanks, Pretty Vulgar. Look at that. Flawless. I love the glitter. I feel like a little girl.